The power of Wim Hof breathing, exploring its 5 benefits and scientific studies. Wim Hof breathing has gained significant attention in recent years due to its potential to improve physical and mental well-being. Developed by Wim Hof, also known as the Iceman, this breathing technique combines specific breathing exercises, cold exposure, and mindset training. We have a basic outline of the Wim Hof breathing technique at the end of the video and a link to a video demonstrating the technique in the description. Before we get to that, we will delve into the 5 key benefits of Wim Hof breathing and explore scientific studies that sheds light on its effects on the body. Number 1. Enhanced immune function. One of the most intriguing benefits associated with Wim Hof breathing is its potential to enhance immune function. Several studies have shown that practicing the Wim Hof method leads to significant improvements in immune system responses. Research conducted found that individuals who regularly practiced the method exhibited reduced inflammatory responses, increased production of anti-inflammatory molecules, and increased resistance to pathogens. Number 2. Increased energy and vitality. Engaging in the Wim Hof breathing technique has been reported to increase energy levels and overall vitality. By oxygenating the body and promoting deep breathing, this method can invigorate and awaken the mind and body. Participants of studies conducted have reported feeling more energized, focused, and rejuvenated after practicing the Wim Hof method, which may be attributed to the increased oxygen intake and improved blood flow. Number 3. Improved mental well-being. Wim Hof breathing has shown promise in improving mental well-being by reducing symptoms of stress, anxiety, and depression. Scientific studies conducted have demonstrated that regular practice of the WHM can positively impact the autonomic nervous system, leading to a reduction in stress levels. Additionally, the method's emphasis on mindfulness and breath control can enhance mental clarity, calmness, and resilience. Number 4. Enhanced physical performance. The Wim Hof method has gained popularity among athletes and individuals seeking to improve their physical performance. Research suggests that practicing this method can increase endurance, strength, and overall physical performance for men and women. The method's ability to optimize oxygen utilization and regulate body temperature may contribute to improved athletic performance and recovery. Number 5. Alleviation of chronic conditions. Some scientific studies indicate that Wim Hof breathing may have potential benefits in alleviating certain chronic conditions. Preliminary research has explored the method's effects on conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis, and fibromyalgia, demonstrating reductions in symptoms and improved quality of life. However, more research is needed in this area to establish the full extent of its therapeutic benefits. Scientific studies. Numerous scientific studies have investigated the effects of Wim Hof breathing. Some notable studies include research conducted at Radboud University Medical Center in the Netherlands, which examined the method's impact on immune response and inflammatory markers. Additionally, studies conducted at various institutions explored the effects of Wim Hof breathing on stress response, cardiovascular function, and mental well-being. These studies provide preliminary evidence supporting the potential benefits of Wim Hof breathing. Wim Hof breathing, as part of the Wim Hof method, appears to offer several potential benefits for the mind and body. These include enhanced immune function, increased energy and vitality, improved mental well-being, enhanced physical performance, and potential alleviation of chronic conditions. While scientific studies provide encouraging findings, more research is needed to validate these benefits and gain a deeper understanding of the mechanisms underlying the Wim Hof method. If you decide to explore this technique, it is essential to learn from trained instructors and consult with a healthcare professional. especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions. And now we get to the basic method itself. The Wim Hof protocol combines specific breathing patterns with cold exposure and focused mindset to improve physical and mental well-being. This outline covers only the breathing aspect of the method. Here is a basic outline of the Wim Hof breathing technique. Find a comfortable position. Sit, lie down, or adopt any position that allows you to relax and breathe deeply. Relaxation phase. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. 1. Deep breath in. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs to their maximum capacity. Feel the breath expanding your belly, chest, and upper back. 2. Exhalation. Let go and exhale fully and gently through your mouth, allowing the air to escape naturally. Release any tension as you breathe out. Repeat this round of breathing in and out 30 times. On the 30th exhalation, breathe out completely and hold your breath. Do not force or strain. Simply allow yourself to enter a state of breath retention. Hold your breath until you feel the first signs of discomfort, but not to the point of feeling lightheaded or dizzy. Recovery breath. Take a deep breath in and hold it for 15 seconds, then let it out gently. Then resume the cycle for another round. Repeat the cycle of 30 breaths in and out for 3 rounds. Note: the Wim Hof breathing technique is usually performed under the guidance of an experienced instructor. It is important to practice in a safe environment and not push yourself beyond your comfort zone. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions or concerns, consult a healthcare professional before attempting this technique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content on self-improvement and personal growth. Please comment below your experiences with Wim Hof breathing if you have already incorporated it in your lifestyle or have any ideas of things you'd like us to cover in the future. Together, let's embrace the power within us to create the life we desire. As always, stay curious, breathe deep and enjoy each day.